Hello everyone. Today, everywhere we turn, we hear words like AI, robotics, and automation. And the truth is, they are no longer science fiction anymore. They are already becoming part of our everyday lives. So, a very important question arises that how do we prepare our children for this fast changing technology? So, to address this growing need for innovation and skill development, the Government of India launched Atal Innovation Mission, commonly known as AIM, under NITI Aayog. Now, AIM is not just about teaching and technology. Its real goal is to build a strong culture of innovation, entrepreneurship, especially amongst students and young minds. The idea is simple. Instead of learning only theory, students learn how to think, how to solve problems, how to create real world solutions. The AIM focuses on nurturing the future innovators, creators, and job creators of our country. Under the Atal Innovation Mission, several impactful programs have been introduced. One of the most successful and student-focused initiatives under the AIM is Atal Tinkering Lab, commonly known as ATL. The ATL was launched with a powerful vision to develop 1 million young innovators in India. The goal is to change the way learning happens in classrooms. Instead of memorizing concepts, students are encouraged to explore, experiment, make mistakes, improve, and innovate. An Atal Tinkering Lab helps students develop future ready skills such as design thinking, computational thinking, critical problem solving, teamwork, adaptive learning, and physical computing. These are skills students will not just learn for the exams but for the real life and future career. Inside an ATL, students get access to exciting tools, technologies like robotic kits, 3D printers, electronics, coding platforms, AI, machine learning, modules, IoT sensors, and even drones, and many more. This hands-on exposure make learning engaging, practical, and meaningful. Through project-based learning, the student identify real-world problems, think of innovative solutions, build prototypes, and confidently present their ideas. They also get opportunities to participate in national competitions, innovation challenges, and exhibitions, which help boost their creativity, confidence, communications, and leadership skills. So, ATL Atal Tinkering Lab is not just another lab, it's a mini innovation hub where students are engaged to think big, innovate fearlessly, and take their first step toward the shaping of the future of India. Now let's understand what exactly comes inside ATL Lab, Atal Tinkering Lab. ATL equipments arrives in four major package categories, carefully designed to support hands-on learning. The package 1 contains electronics, robotics, and IoT. This includes development boards, sensors, robotic kits, coding modules, and Internet of Things component. Students learn to build smart devices, program robots, and understand how the fundamental electronics and the connected technologies work. The second package is Rapid Prototyping Tool. This package includes tools for 3D modeling and 3D printers, including a 3D printer and its accessory. The students learn how to design, prototype, and bring their creative idea to life in 3 dimensions. The package 3 is mechanical, electrical, and measuring tools. This includes basic tools such as pliers, screwdrivers, soldering kits, multimeters, motors, gears, and measuring tools. Student gains hands-on experience in assembling, repairing, testing mechanical and electrical systems. The package 4 is power supply and safety equipments. This package contains power supplies, batteries, chargers, along with their essential safety gears like gloves, goggles, mat, and protective equipments. Students learn how to work safely with electrical systems while understanding the power management and safety practices. In the next video, we will learn the first major category of the ATL, that is electronics, robotics and IoT. Thank you.